All right, so this is the Telesin battery pack for your GoPro batteries. Also, Telesin does have little GoPro batteries as well, but this thing's great because for one, it's battery powered. And for two, it's small, it doesn't take up very much space. And for three, you can charge your batteries, but you can also plug in other accessories to that. So you can see you have USB-C for charging, but also USB-A so you can charge other devices as well. So that's gonna do, it's gonna be a good like fail safe in case you're out and need to charge some other things. So you can easily pop your GoPro batteries in here, and it does have little light indications letting you know if it's charged or if it's got some more to go. So really easy to keep with you and just keep your batteries charged up when you're on the go. Highly recommend this. It's a great product, and thanks for watching.